Imagine streaming, gaming, and working from home without ever worrying about slow connections, dead zones, or dropped signals. That's the promise of the TP-Link Deco 7B25, and it might just be the upgrade your home network has been waiting for. Welcome back to Buy with Confidence, where we take a closer look at the products worth investing in. Today, we're exploring the TP-Link Deco 7B25 dual-band Wi-Fi 7 mesh system. This is a premium, three-pack mesh router designed to deliver ultra-fast Wi-Fi speeds, extensive coverage, and reliable security for modern smart homes. If your home struggles with inconsistent connections, multiple devices competing for bandwidth, or you're looking to future-proof your network for the latest gadgets, this is highly relevant. The purchase link is in the description below and pinned comment for your convenience. Reason 1. Exceptional speed and performance. The Deco 7B25 harnesses the latest Wi-Fi 7 standard with 4-stream 5 gigabits per second throughput, delivering up to 4,324 megabits per second on the 5 GHz band and 688 megabits per second on 2.4 GHz. This means seamless streaming of 4K or even 8K content, lag-free online gaming, and high-speed transfers across devices. Multi-link operation and 4K QAM enhance throughput efficiency, ensuring your devices get the bandwidth they need. Trusted by thousands of 5-star reviewers, this performance is particularly beneficial for homes with multiple heavy-usage devices. Reason 2. Wide coverage for large homes. With each unit equipped with 4 high-gain antennas and 4 high-power FEMs, the Deco 7B25 covers up to 6,600 square feet in a seamless mesh network. Whether it's a sprawling multi-story home or an open-plan living space, this system eliminates dead zones and maintains strong connectivity for every corner. Families and professionals alike can enjoy uninterrupted streaming, video calls, and gaming. Reason 3. Wired and wireless flexibility. Each Deco unit comes with two 2.5 gigabits per second WEN/LAN ports, supporting wired backhaul for ultra-stable connections to your high-performance devices. Combined with Wi-Fi 7's multi-link operation, this hybrid approach ensures a more stable and consistent network even when multiple devices are connected simultaneously. It's ideal for gaming consoles, NAS devices, or anyone relying on both wired and wireless performance. Reason 4. Seamless AI-driven roaming. The Deco 7B25 creates a unified network under a single SSID. Using AI roaming technology, it intelligently guides your devices to the strongest node as you move throughout your home. This means no more dropped calls or buffering when transitioning between rooms. For families or remote workers moving between spaces, it delivers smooth, uninterrupted connectivity. Reason 5. Advanced security and privacy. With TP-Link HomeShield, your network is protected against threats with advanced security scanning, IoT device monitoring, and quality of service controls. It also supports VPN clients and servers, allowing secure remote connections without installing software on each device. This commitment to cybersecurity, backed by TP-Link's adherence to CISA Secure by Design guidelines, offers peace of mind for home networks handling sensitive data. Reason 6. Compatibility and future-proofing. The Deco 7B25 is backward compatible with all Wi-Fi standards, making it an excellent choice whether you're upgrading from Wi-Fi 5 or Wi-Fi 6. It works with all ISPs, and it's compatible with voice assistants like Alexa and Google Assistant, allowing smart home integration. This level of versatility ensures your investment is protected as new devices and standards emerge. Reason 7. Ease of setup and ownership experience. Setting up the Deco 7B25 is straightforward with the TP-Link app. It guides you through installation, manages device connections, and allows parental controls, network management, and performance monitoring with ease. Cleaning up network congestion or prioritizing devices is simple, making daily management effortless for both tech-savvy users and beginners. Final verdict. The TP-Link Deco 7B25 is a premium Wi-Fi 7 mesh system that delivers top-tier speed, coverage, and reliability. While it is a higher-end solution and may exceed the needs of smaller homes, it excels in large households, smart homes, or anyone with multiple high-demand devices. Trusted by thousands of 5-star reviewers, it offers a future-proof, secure, and seamless Wi-Fi experience. For those seeking a network upgrade with long-term value, the Deco 7B25 stands out as a highly capable choice. If you value stable, high-speed internet across every corner of your home, consider exploring the TP-Link Deco 7B25 today. The purchase link is in the description and pinned comment. Make an informed choice and upgrade your home network confidently.